Hey, what's up? Mark here, and welcome back to No Cookies. Today, we're diving into the Google Pixel 9. The ninth iteration of Google's flagship. Sounds exciting, right? But as it turns out, not everyone's feeling it. So let's break down what's really going on. First off, let's talk about what's good. The Pixel 9 brings some solid upgrades to the table. The design is a bit more refined this time. Google's gone for that minimalistic vibe with some subtle curves and a matte finish that feels really nice in the hand. The screen, it's gorgeous, 6.7 inches, 120 Hz OLED, and it's bright enough to use in direct sunlight without any issues. And we can't ignore the cameras. Google's computational photography game is strong, and the Pixel 9 continues that trend. Night sight, portrait mode, all of it, it's here and it's better. Plus, the new Tensor G3 chip adds some serious power, especially with AI tasks. So, on paper, there's a lot to like. But here's where things get interesting. Despite these improvements, the Pixel 9 isn't exactly winning everyone over. And there are a few reasons for that. First off, the price. Google's been inching up with each new release, and now the Pixel 9 sits firmly in premium territory. It's a great phone, no doubt, but when you're asking top dollar, people expect top-tier performance across the board, and that's where the Pixel 9 starts to struggle. Performance-wise, it's not as consistent as you'd hope. Some users have reported occasional stutters, and the phone can run a bit warm under heavy use. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's noticeable, especially when you compare it to other flagships like the iPhone or Galaxy S series. And then there's the software. Google's take on Android is usually a major selling point, clean, fast updates, the whole package. But with the Pixel 9, some of that polish seems to be missing. A few bugs here and there, UI quirks, and some features that just don't feel as intuitive as they should. It's almost like Google rushed the software side to keep up with the hardware. We all know that software can make or break a smartphone experience, and right now, the Pixel 9 software feels like it's still finding its way. And then, there are the expectations. The Pixel lineup has always been about delivering a high-end experience without emptying your wallet. But now, with the Pixel 9 priced like a true flagship, people are expecting it to be flawless, or at least close. And when you're charging premium prices, the competition is fierce. Apple and Samsung have had years to perfect their flagship game, and the Pixel 9 is still catching up. The small missteps, no matter how minor, become a lot more noticeable with a higher price tag. So where does that leave us? The Google Pixel 9 is a good phone, great in some areas even, but in the context of what it costs and what people expect from a flagship in 2024, it's understandable why some users aren't completely on board. Should you buy it? Well, if you're a Pixel fan or love Google's take on Android, you'll probably enjoy it. But if you're expecting a flawless, top-tier experience for the price, you might want to hold off or check out the competition. That's it for this one. What do you think? Are you picking up the Pixel 9 or are you looking at something else? Drop a comment below, and as always, thanks for watching No Cookies.